Now derivative dx over dt, product rule, et, derivative of cos is minus sin t, plus cos t and derivative of et is et. Now dy over dx, et as it is, derivative of sin is cos t, plus sin t as it is, derivative of et is et. अब दोनों में et कॉमन है, वो निकाल देना. When you will find dx over dt, you have dy over dt over dx over dt. So this will be e power t common, cos t plus sin t, and here will be e power t cos t minus of sin t. Cancelled. So you have answer cos t plus sin t, cos t minus of sin t is your answer. Now come to the fifth question. बिल्कुल सिंपल है. इसके सारे सम जितने भी हैं ना अप टू द 11, 12, 13 बस सारे सिंपल हैं. आपने सिर्फ और सिर्फ पुट्टी करना है. So next is क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 करवा देती हूँ. 6th A part. X is a cos square theta and y is a sin square theta. So this will be with respect to theta लेंगे. A as it is 2 cos theta, derivative of cos is sin theta. Then dy over dt, a 2 sin theta. Now derivative of sin theta is cos theta. So dy over dx will be dy over theta with respect to theta, dy over d theta over dx over d theta. So this will be 2 times a cos theta minus sin theta, 2a sin theta cos theta. 2a cancelled, sin cancelled with sin, cos cancelled with cos. So you have only answer 1. मीन्स सारे सम इसी तरीके से हैं. कोई थोड़ा सा लेंथी हो सकता है, कोई थोड़ा सा कम लेंथी हो सकता है, बट है इसी तरीके से. आज हम यहाँ के इसके ना 11th पार्ट तक ही करेंगे. उसके बाद में आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 करवा देती हूँ. सारे सेम एज इट इज हैं इसके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Second part. X is equals to a cos theta plus theta sin theta and y is a sin theta minus theta cos theta. This is given to you. We have to find out the derivative with respect to x, but this is the parametric equation. So this will be dx over d theta, a as it is, derivative of cos is minus of sin theta. Now here will be the product rule. Why? Because you have given the product of theta and sin theta. So this will become theta as it is, derivative of sin is cos, then sin as it is, derivative of theta is 1. Now here is sin cancelled, so you have dx over d theta will be a theta cos theta. Then y dy over d theta, a sin is cos theta minus theta, cos will be minus of sin theta minus cos theta. Derivative of theta is 1. So this is cancelled with cos. You have only dy over d theta will be plus a theta sin theta. Now we have to find the derivative of the dy over dx. So this will be a theta sin theta over a theta cos theta. Cancelled, theta is cancelled with theta, that will be the sin over cos is tan theta. दोबारा फिर रिपीट कर रही हूँ, ये क्वेश्चन में आपको क्या गिवन था, x is the variable of theta and y is the also variable of theta, means this is the parametric equation, but we have to find the derivative of dy with respect to x. But what we will do, we will find the derivative of the x with respect to theta and derivative of y with respect to theta. Okay, after that, after finding their derivative, we will divide both derivatives. dy over dx is equals to dy over d theta over d theta over dx over d theta. You will got the dy over dx. तो मैंने जब इसका डेरिवेटिव किया dx over d theta, ये तो कांस्टेंट है, बाहर आ जाएगा. व्हाट इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cos थीटा माइनस ऑफ sin थीटा? व्हाट विल बी द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ थीटा sin थीटा? दैट इज द टू फंक्शन इनटू द product, so we will apply the product rule. Theta as it is derivative of sin theta, then sin as it is derivative of theta. Same as it is, we will find the derivative of the sin theta. We have got this one only a theta sin theta, and here d theta dx over d theta we have got a theta cos theta. So we will divide the both derivative, we will got the answer tan theta. So by this, in this exercise, that is the only how to find the derivative of the parametric equation. Today we have discussed about up to the 11th question. Tomorrow we will discuss the long type questions. यहाँ तक आपने सारे के सारे क्वेश्चंस कर लेने हैं. जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हुई वो आपकी कल सॉल्व कर लेंगे और साथ ही साथ जो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस है वो करवा देंगे. बट यहाँ तक हर एक के लिए करने कंपल्सरी हैं. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.